board while sailing wisdom.
Alright, now we are off to Formentera. So how far is it?
20 miles.
Ah, it's 20 miles south, so should be there pretty soon. Especially with today's wind, because it's really windy.
Because it was really rolly in the beginning, and I started to get up and realized I was not gonna make it with my seasickness. But now that we have a nice following sea, I am happy, and this is absolutely beautiful.
How are you doing? It's windy. Oh, fishing wind. Mediterranean living up to its expectations.
Yeah. Man, look at that rock.
Yeah.
25 knots of wind now. 26 knots of wind now.
So how's your pillow fort?
It's my comfort pillow fort. My therapy pillows. After that.
So the winds have picked up a bit and turned around. So pretty much we're beating to get to the anchorage now? Okay. So yeah, we have to go upwind and a catch in 24 knots right now. 25. 25 knots. So
Of wind.
of wind in the Med. anchored here in Cala Sayona. It was a very spirited, lots of wind, plenty of fun sail to get here, and it's just absolutely beautiful.
I have nothing to say.
Okay. Okay, our friend's making carbonara. So we're heading over to his boat and we're all gonna have dinner.
Okay, we are going into town right now, waiting for a taxi to come pick us up, and we're gonna go to the ferry dock to get our tickets to go to Mallorca. And we are so excited that we're going to be able to ferry straight there from here, Formentera, and we've got a hotel waiting for us when we get there.
Rowan, they might have a private charter, it might be the owner.
Oh, that's funny. We drank that port last night because 1 year ago we were in Porto. It's our friend Matt's 50th birthday today, so we are heading to a more picturesque spot as per his request, and we're gonna party it up. It's looking really pretty here. It's a beautiful day, flat seas, and you'll notice that we are not on Rob's boat, but we are on an ML because we're with Mothership right now. We're spending our last bits of time here in the Balearics with our good friends Mothership Adrift, and we're really, really excited about it.
You got to keep on moving, don't you know? Don't you know? Don't you know? You got to keep on moving, don't you know? Don't you know?
This really nice place on the headland. It's a place with the Mediterranean on both sides and a nice river cutting through it. And it's shallow enough to walk across, which is nice.
So we're in Formentera right now, and we came out to this spit of land that is so narrow. You've got sea on both sides, and right now we're in this area where the two sides actually connect.
and it's just really cool. The colors here are beautiful. They're really reminiscent of our trip to the Bahamas, except I would say that this is one of the most beautiful beaches I've ever seen.
And it's a topless beach.
So we're walking into town. It's about a 50-minute walk. It just feels really good to be mobile. When you're living the boat life, you don't actually walk very much, and it becomes very evident. So yeah, we've been having a wonderful time with Ranka and Woody and the 3 kids. It's really been a highlight of our trip so far. It's great to end on a high.
So there's a salt flat here, and the way they harvest the salt is they actually just fill this area with seawater. It gets really hot with the sun, and all the water evaporates out, but the salt is left behind. But this is probably one of the first few times they filled it with salt water. They don't go in and harvest it at this point. Then they add more seawater, and they keep doing the cycle of seawater, evaporate, seawater, evaporate. And when it gets to be several inches thick of salt, then they come in with heavy machinery and actually just scoop out all the salt and harvest it. And it comes out like big rocks of salt.
Had an amazing time in the Balearics, but it is our last day with our friends here. We are going to be moving to Mallorca, which is still the Balearics, in a couple of hours. But first, we have to wrap up our time here with a really peaceful and zen yoga session.
Stop on my face.
Herbie and I have broken off now. We're going to Mallorca, as I mentioned before. Here we are in the Plaza Major.
He was in charge of collecting tax monies and stuff for the king, And then the king said, hey.
Good morning. It's our second day and last day here in Mallorca.
Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends.
And if you'd like to follow our journey in real time on a map, receive postcards from our ports of call, and message us directly to the boat, you can go ahead and become a patron using the link in the description down below.